Wow. Look at this. This is why it's not retracting fully. It's all coming apart up here. This is why the lever wasn't retracting fully. Yep, time to replace this cable. Look at all this shit. I'm lucky this didn't snap. Damn. All this crap is jammed up in here. This cable. The whole thing's just coming apart. So when your cable, so when you're riding around your bike and your brake lever isn't retracting fully, it's like, I don't know, maybe maybe your cable might look like this one. So yeah, always make sure your brakes are working properly. There it is. I got it out finally. Be careful with this, it'll poke you. It's out. Alright, so there we go. I'll leave a link in the description. The old one, and this is the new one. This is what it's supposed to look like. And feed it in. Okay, so. Gonna line up this little slot with the barrel adjuster and the lock nut, lock ring, whatever this is called. Make sure that's flat. If that part in there is flat, put it right in like that, and then just to hold it in place. Just feed it in until it goes all the way in. That's it. Nice and snappy. Just feed it through the barrel adjuster. It's my first time replacing a brake cable, but live and learn. Feed it through there. If you don't know what things look like, just take a picture of it with your phone or a video or something like that. Or take a picture or video of it so you know what it looks like before, so you know how to put it back together the right way. Tighten up the, that's pretty good. Yes. Just snap right back. It shouldn't go all the way to the handlebars, but halfway is pretty good. Good, not rubbing, not making any noise, nice and quiet. Okay, your brake always should snap back like that. If it's like binding up and it's not going all the way back, something's wrong. And if it's nothing else, like the caliper or something like that, the cable just could be binding up inside. It could be getting frayed. So that's the way it should work. I'm very happy with that now.